It is a sweltering Ohio summer afternoon. Despite the air conditioner running at full capacity, the upstairs bedrooms remain uncomfortably warm. When utility bills climb and the second floor becomes difficult to cool, most homeowners assume the aging shingles overhead are the primary source of the problem. There is a common expectation that replacing those old, heat-soaked shingles with a brand new layer will cause energy consumption to drop immediately. Technical data suggests otherwise. Simply changing the surface material of a roof rarely provides the significant energy savings that homeowners are looking for. A roof functions as an integrated thermal system. Lowering a home's cooling load requires engineering how every component interacts, rather than just updating the outermost layer. Every day, solar radiation hits the home and attempts to move from the outside atmosphere down into the living spaces. To block that heat, we use 5 distinct layers of defense: the roof surface, the roof deck, the attic ventilation cycle, the insulation depth, and the airtight ceiling at the ceiling line. Designing this multi-layered system is the most effective way to produce measurable improvements in year-round energy efficiency. The exterior layer relies on 2 physical properties. Solar reflectance bounces sunlight away, while thermal emittance releases absorbed heat. Modern architectural shingles and coated metal roofs maximize these properties, serving as the home's initial barrier against the sun. In Ohio, our climate includes humid summers and freezing winters. Installing a hyper-reflective roof can trigger a winter heating penalty, blocking the beneficial solar heat that helps keep the home warm during freezing months. Homeowners in Ohio need a balanced surface, one that rejects summer heat without increasing the cost of keeping the house warm in January. Even with an efficient surface, a portion of solar heat will eventually pass through the roof deck and enter the attic. A healthy thermal exhaust system pulls fresh air in through the lower soffits and pushes superheated air out through the upper roof vents. It is a mistake to assume a hot attic can be fixed simply by adding high-powered fans. In many homes, these fans create negative pressure, pulling expensive, air-conditioned air through the ceiling and into the attic, wasting energy. Effective ventilation is about maintaining a natural, balanced cycle that removes heat without compromising the home's internal climate control. Below the moving air of the attic lies the final barrier, the insulation and the air seal at the ceiling line. If this boundary is weak, extreme attic temperatures will continue to transfer into the home, regardless of how reflective the shingles are or how much air moves through the vents. Energy leaks often concentrate around recessed lighting, unsealed plumbing stacks, and electrical penetrations running through the floor. When conditioned air escapes through these gaps, it undermines the performance of every layer above it, breaking the home's thermal defense. Without a secure air seal and proper insulation, even the most advanced roofing materials will struggle to noticeably reduce monthly utility costs. For homeowners with a failing roof that already requires replacement, the financial calculation changes. Comparing the total cost of a new roof against monthly energy savings can be misleading, as the primary investment in a new roof is already a necessity. This chart shows the concept of incremental cost. By evaluating the modest price difference between a standard replacement and a high-efficiency system, the extra investment is often recouped through long-term energy savings. Long-term financial value comes from the operational savings of a complete, optimized system rather than the lowest possible installation bid for shingles alone. Every home has a unique combination of sun exposure, insulation levels, and ventilation needs, making it difficult for homeowners to pinpoint exactly where their energy is being lost. Master Roof Kettering provides comprehensive, full system evaluations to identify the best efficiency upgrades for your specific property. Invest in a balanced thermal system designed by experts to protect your home and your budget for years to come.